आज का ये पहला क्वेश्चन, द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न एरिया रिऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक्ट विच granted statehood to Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya was passed in 1971. In which year were Manipur and Tripura officially merged into the Indian Union as princely state? Right answer is C, 1949. Meghalaya became an autonomous state within Assam in 1970 before full statehood. Which article of the Indian Constitution was inserted by the 22nd Amendment to allow the creation of an autonomous state within a state? Right answer is B, Article 244A. The One Station One Product OSOP scheme promotes vocal for local. Under which article of the Constitution is the right to trade and occupation protected as a fundamental right? Right answer is B, Article 19, Clause 1, Clause G, Subclause G. The Ministry of Railways has expanded the OSOP scheme to 2000 station. Who was the first railway minister of independent India? Right answer is John Mathai. The Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989 were amended in 2026 to improve electronic toll collection. Which technology is primarily used in FASTag for electronic toll in India? Fifth answer is RFID, radio frequency identification. Form 28 no objection certificate is now revised under the 2026 rules. Under the 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution, motor vehicles falls under which list? Right answer is concurrent list. HPCL signed a $3 billion LNG deals with ADNOC Gas. Where is the headquarters of the Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited located? Right answer is B, Mumbai. ADNOC Gases Das Island faculty will supply LNG to India. Das Island is located in which body of water? Right answer is C, Gulf of Aden. India ranked 16th in the Responsible Nation Index launched in 2026. Who was the first president of India? A post later held by the 2026 RNI Chief Guest Ram Nath Kovind. Right answer is B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The RNI launch event was held at the Dr. Ambedkar International Center. In which year was B.R. Ambedkar posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna? Right answer is B, 1990. During the 2026 visit of UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, trade targets were set. What is the currency of the United Arab Emirates? Right answer is dirham. India and UAE signed a letter of intent for cooperation in the space industry. In which year was ISRO established? Right answer is 1969. The Bambla River irrigation project is located in the Godavari basin. Which of the following is the longest tributary of the Godavari River? Right answer is Pranhita. The Bambla project is situated in the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. Vidarbha is known for its black soil, which is most suitable for the cultivation of. 14th answer is cotton. The Union Cabinet approved the continuation of the Atal Pension Yojana until 2030-31. Which regulatory body oversees the APY? 15th answer is C, PFRDA. Question of the day, PFRDA का full form बताएंगे आप और इसका headquarter कहाँ पे ये बताएंगे. The APY provides a guaranteed pension of 1,000 to 5,000. What is the minimum entry age of a subscriber to join the APY? Right answer is 18 years. NHAI signed an MOU within Konkan Railway in January 2026. In which year was the National Highway Authority of India constituted? Right answer is 1988. The Konkan Railway runs through which of the following mountain range? Right answer is Western Ghat. The draft National Electricity Policy 2026 targets 2,000 kilowatt hour per capita consumption by 2030. Under the Indian Constitution, electricity is a subject in the. Right answer is concurrent list. Last question. The new electricity policy aims to reduce emission intensity by 45% by 2030. This target is part of India's commitments under which international agreement? Right answer is Paris Agreement.